Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We kind of up close, but it's okay. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to manifest anything that you want in life using visualization. So if you're interested in manifestation and law of attraction and trying to live your best life, then continue to watch this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. The first thing that I want to talk about when it comes to visualization and trying to manifest anything in your life, such as a car, a home, or a job, I want you to take deep breaths first. You can start with just one deep breath just to see how much it calms you down, because I know one deep breath usually helps me calm down. But after you do like 21 deep breaths or one deep breath, whichever or how many you want to do, after you do that, you want to clear your subconscious mind. Courtney, how do I clear my subconscious mind? I don't know how to do it. Well, one way that you can clear your subconscious mind is by listening to positive affirmations. I listen to one before I go to bed at night, and it plays all throughout when I'm sleeping. Sometimes if I wake up in the morning before it goes off, I'll still hear it saying, I am beautiful, I am successful, still saying that in the background. So that's what you want to have playing while you sleep, so that you won't be thinking about the negative things or the bad things that may be going on in your life. You want to think positive while you're sleeping. When you listen to positive affirmations while you're sleeping, it helps, because when you wake up in the morning, you won't have that sluggish, negative feeling when you wake up, and you won't be thinking about everything else. You got to think about bills, running errands, grocery shopping, meal planning. You don't have to think about that, because your mind is completely thinking about positive things that's going on in your life that you need to be reassured on. Say what you mean and believe it, and trust in yourself. When you say that you're going to do something, believe it, then do it. So I'm going to be a millionaire. Or I'm going to get that new Honda Accord. Or I'm going to get that new Benz. Or I'm going to get that mansion. When you say it, you want to believe it, and you want to put action behind it, such as emotions. When you put emotions behind what you're trying to do and what you're saying, when you're trying to bring in visualization into your life, when you say it, you should be able to picture it, and then that'll help you believe it. And when you trust in that, then it will come true, and it will make it more believable for your mind. And that's the way you trick your mind into getting what you want. Now, I know some people is like, or are like, how am I supposed to visualize this mansion and this car and this job that I want? Well, like I was saying before, clear out all that negativity that's going on in your subconscious mind. Try to meditate and focus on your breathing, so you can focus on the goals and everything that you want to achieve in your life. Some visualization exercises that you can do is the 17-second rule. The 17-second rule, you focus on something that you really want to achieve. So for an example, for 17 seconds, you'll say, I want a Honda Accord. Or you can say, I have a Honda Accord. I have a Honda Accord. You can say that. That's the kind of car that I drive now. And then after those 17 seconds, you could put your timer on for 51 seconds, and you're going to say specifically what kind of Honda Accord you have. I have 2019 Honda Accord burgundy, nice rims. You can say the inches in it as well. Leather seats are tan, and it has a spacious trunk. Get very detailed on what you want your car to look like, your home or your new job, the surroundings of it. After you become very detailed on it, you know what you're looking for every time you visualize it. You know what it looks like, you know what it feels like to be in that, mindset. Now it'll be easier to bring in those emotions and those 5 senses that you want to have when it comes to manifesting a better life. So you'll be able to breathe in and take in the smell of what it would feel like to get into a brand new car with cream leather seats. The smell of fresh leather, like a car straight off the assembly line. You'll be able to get that feeling, and it will make you feel like you're living in that moment, which will help attract that into your life. I know for some people, when it comes to visualization and things, it's kind of hard, and not everybody is the same. So I'm going to give you a little example for your learning style. For me, I am an auditory learner. I learn from hearing everything. That's why I listen to motivational speeches. I listen to positive affirmations. But if you're a visual learner or a kinesthetic learner, kinesthetic learners are people who learn on hand, like they do everything with their hands. So it may be better for them to make a vision board. They'll be able to see it, but they can actually put it together and put things in place so that they'll be able to achieve their goals faster and attract and manifest more things in their life. As for visual learners, you may want to implement that 17-second rule that we were talking about earlier, and also trying a vision board as well. Even though that you have to do it hands-on, you'll be able to look at it every morning so you can see what step you're on for your goals. Be sure that you ask yourself why you want what you want and what you're asking for, and always say that you're grateful for what you already have. Don't neglect the things that you already have, because it could be far worse, but things will and always will get better if you stay focused on your goals. Another big thing that I want to point out to you guys is play in the scenario. Pretend like you're already there. Pretend like you've already met your goals. Just pretend and act it out every day. Like the place that I live in, I used to act it out every day with Amare. Like my daughter, we would wake up in the morning, we would take our baths, we would eat breakfast, and then we'll go to the grocery store. I would drive to this complex and ride through this complex like I was going to park there to stay. Like I was going to get out the car and go in the house and stuff. And I live here now. So, and that was, oh my gosh, Amare wasn't even 1 yet. But it took a year and it came. But I didn't know that I was visualizing it. I was doing that subconsciously. But imagine if I knew that I was manifesting that and I was trying to manifest that. It probably would have happened quicker because I didn't I would have done it more frequently than what I was doing it those 1 or 2 times that I did. Also, remember that consistency is key. You can't just do it one time and then expect it to happen quickly. You got to keep doing it. You got to stay focused and stay away from people who are very negative and are always drama-filled in your life. You don't want to have their negative vibrations lowering your vibrations. You want to be at a very high frequency and stay there. Also, another thing I wanted to mention is don't confuse the universe. Don't start off by saying that I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. You've got to focus on one thing at a time, and then it'll start flowing through. After you feel like you're through and you're ready to let it go and let the universe do what it needs to do, then move on to the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video. be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below some more videos that you would like to see. Make sure you click the notification bell and stay tuned for more videos. Leave comments for more videos that you would like to see. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. I love you guys. Bye.